Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video I will be sharing with you this wonderful hair oil made of neem powder. If you want to know, please continue watching. For this oil I am taking 2 tablespoons of neem powder. This is the leftover residue or the leftover coarse powder of the neem powder which I made in earlier. So neem is very good for your hair. To add to this neem oil I am using bakuchi seeds or bavanchi seeds. This is also packed with powerful nutrients which can help your hair grow, and also has that aroma to the oil, and it cuts down the pungency of the neem. So I am using 2 tablespoons of this bakuchi seeds. Next is oil. I am using a mix of all the oils. I am keeping the coconut oil in excess. If you want, you can use only single oil like coconut oil or olive oil. So here I am using the combination of all oils. At least 100 ml of the oil is what I am using. The method is as usual. You have to use a double boiler method. For that I am taking a pan. I am going to heat the pan and place this bowl which contains oil. The bowl should be thick bottom so that it doesn't stick. The ingredients doesn't stick. So I am adding the powder of neem and the bakuchi seeds. If you don't find these seeds, you can also add powder of amla. You can otherwise you can use fresh amla, crush it and use it. So instead of using bakuchi seeds, you can also use aloe vera if you find it. So you can also make neem oil as it is without adding anything. It works good, but I like to use different combinations with this for the hair. So as it boils and the color changes, and it takes 10 to 15 minutes of this 100 ml of oil to be ready. After 10 minutes you can put off the flame and allow this to cool. So the oil is ready. After allowing it to cool for at least 2 to 3 hours, I am going to strain it in a bottle where I can store it for the later use. This oil is very good for hair. It will prevent dandruff. If you have itchy scalp or dry scalp, then this hair oil will help to prevent all that. So you can store this in a bottle and keep it and use it whenever you want. So you can also keep it in the windowsill for at least a day, so that again this oil warms up and the best of all these ingredients come together. So the hair oil has a lot of benefits. It also promotes hair growth because of all the ingredients which you have used. To use it, you need to apply from the root to the tip of your hair. Slightly massage it and wash off your hair next morning to show you these beautiful results. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.